Opened your washer and it's full of water? Clothes sitting in dirty water? Here's how to fix it, and you might not even need a technician. Step 1. Clean the drain pump filter. Most front loaders have a small access door at the bottom front. Open it, have towels ready, water will come out. Unscrew the filter cap and pull out whatever's trapped. I found coins, socks, hair ties, even kids' toys. This free fix works about 40% of the time. Step 2. Check the drain hose. It's the large ribbed hose from the back of the washer to your standpipe or sink. Make sure it's not kinked, crushed, or clogged. Step 3. If neither works, the drain pump itself is probably bad. You'll hear humming during the drain cycle, or complete silence when it should be pumping. Replacement costs $150 to $300. Error codes for drain problems: Samsung shows 5E or 5C. LG shows OE. Whirlpool shows F21 or F91. Emergency drain tip: most front loaders have a small black emergency drain tube next to the filter. Pull it out and unclip it to drain water into a shallow pan. Same-day washer drain repair on all brands: Samsung, LG, Whirlpool, GE, Maytag, Frigidaire, Kenmore. Serving ports: St. Lucie, Stewart, Fort Pierce, and Jensen Beach. Call Treasure Coast Appliance Repair at 772-353-5791.